If you aren't good at math, you will never be able to learn a code. This phrase has been used in many places by both programmers and non-programmers. However, it has a major flaw. It simply isn't true. When I was 10 years old, I wasn't the brightest or the smartest student, especially in math, but I followed a roadmap that taught me how to code with a simple mindset and stay disciplined, which is quite rare in this generation. Looking back, I believe there were many things I could have done to learn coding on my own much faster, easier. So in this video, I'll dive into how I learned how to code if I were to start again. Reflecting on my journey, I first learned Java because I found significant interest in LeetCode and other coding problems learning. Learning Java allowed me to understand some key critical points that have helped me till this day. Functions, basics of programming, object-oriented programming, big O notation. Although these terms may sound intimidating, they are actually straightforward yet essential concepts that programmers must know to succeed in the world of programming. Still, those concepts didn't bring me to where I am today. So in this video, I'll show you what roadmap I took and why it works even to this day. Now, since I am a front-end developer most of the time, I mostly took the route many others took. So I basically started this with this one language that can take you anywhere, back-end, front-end, or even software. And that language is JavaScript. Now, choosing a programming language is step 1. Step 2 is to learn how to actually program. For step 2, you might have to learn these ideas and concepts: arrays and hashing, functions, clean code, understanding documentations, basics of programming, object-oriented programming, and big O notation. Now, understanding documentations might seem weird, but trust me when I say it, most beginner developers actually just look up YouTube videos and just copy and paste. Whereas learning and reading the documentation by the creator of the language, it can help you understand a lot. Although the ideas and concepts are harsh, it will help you out a lot in the long run. After you understand how to program the language you choose, your next step is to choose a framework with your language. For me, I chose to learn React. First, as it is currently the most popular and extensive front-end framework. Additionally, you should also learn up Tailwind CSS if you choose to learn React. Now, if you reach this step, your roadmap should look something like this. You first start JavaScript, get good at JavaScript, learn React, and learn one of the most popular CSS frameworks out there, Tailwind CSS. After the last step, this is where things get complex. You are now open to a wider choice of options. For example, you could possibly find a front-end job using React and Tailwind, but if you're going to more modern types, you are going to prefer learning how to fetch, update, delete, and push data to different databases. For this, you should learn Next.js, Express, and if you're really hoping to go into backend development, also learn Nest.js. Choosing what you wish to be in the future is a major factor to take in when choosing what to learn, because the last thing you wish for is learning technology and never using it. Subscribe, but before you go, please like, as it helps me a lot. If you have any questions, comment down below. I would love to answer them. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.